Hello, I am Soumya, a student of Midhaguru, here to explain you a fascinating phenomena that is pollination. If we talk about a flower, it is divided into two parts, that is reproductive and vegetative. Vegetative part, which is directly not with the process of reproductions such as petals, sepals, whereas reproductive part which is directly associated with the process of reproduction such as pistil, stamen. Now my friend Shaurya will explain you the parts of a flower with the help of diagram.
Hello, I am Shaurya and today I am going to explain the parts of the flower. Here we have taken a bisexual flower. This colorful part is petal. This green part is sepal. This is male part of the plant called as stamen. And this is female part of the plant called as pistil. And also called as carpel. Now we are going to observe the parts of stamen. It contains two parts, filament and anther. This long part is filament. And this part is called anther. Now my friend Soumya will come and explain the parts of pistil.
So here we have a diagram of pistil and now I am going to explain its parts. This part of the pistil is known as stigma. This long part is known as style. This round part is known as ovary, which consists of ovule, and egg cells is present inside ovule. So Shaurya, as we are done with the diagram, can you explain me the process of pollination?
Yes, sure. Pollination is the process in which pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma.
So what is pollen grains?
Pollen grains are the male gametes.
And what are gametes?
Gametes are the reproductive cells which helps in the process of reproduction.
And what is female gametes?
Female gametes are the egg cells.
So we hope you like this explanation.
And in our next video we will be dealing with the process of fertilization. Thank you.